Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted this on a Facebook and they wanted to know how they added that star. And I might have done a little bit different, but I really like the way it looks because they almost use the same color as the disc. And it's ironically, I just got through making videos on how to do this. And I like the lights coming here and the shadows coming here. But I just drew one real quick. This one actually, I realized later it had more points than mine. So I'm just going to get the star tool and I'm going to make it 10 points. I'm not going to hold down the control button, even though you could. Doesn't really matter. But then if you will go and convert it to a curve, then you can take your shape tool. And this was where I would hold down the control button. Now it's something, well, I had them both selected. So only select one of the nodes and then you start moving it. And then like every other one is expanded out. And you can kind of like visually see that you're in the middle. I'm not going to take a lot of time on how to draw this star, but that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. And I'm going to contour the inside 2 times is just at 0.01. That's too much. Let's go, it's because my star is quite a bit bigger. Let's make my star smaller. Or maybe my star wasn't big enough because we can always change it. Let's make it pretty big. No, I do not like the way the star is coming out. Make it bigger still. There we go. And now at this time, you can make your star smaller. Well, you know what? Let's do that. Let's leave it like that for right now. And let's use these colors to fill in. So I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool. I'm going to get the eyedropper. And I'm going to take a sample of that color and then I'm going to click it into that. Then I'm going to get the eyedropper again. Take that sample of that second color, and I'm not saying they wanted these colors, but I'm just trying to follow along with the video. At first, I didn't think that looked very good. Now, if we really, let's see what our nudge factor is. Let's move this out of the way. We want to nudge this so it's 5 inches. So let's nudge it 6 inches. And let's take our color and nudge our colors over. So here we have the outline. We can delete it because a lot of times your outline will cause problem. Now that we only got a color, we can make it smaller. And I'm actually going to put it in, put it a little bit of an angle like the people did and just probably group it together, Control G. So you want to worry about it and then put it up there. And it really makes it, because the person who did this made the first color almost like, it actually makes it look like a glow. His star is a little bit bigger and different. I'm going to name this the same as I did these other ones in case you're interested on how to draw those lines. I did some tweaking to it. And then the shadow, just draw an oval, make it gray, take away the outline, and you could manually do it. Well, let's do this. Control G to group it, hit P to put it in the center of the page, hit P to put it in the center of the page. Move that down, and then double click on it and move the rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it is. Whoop. But it is, and then you could just rotate this graphically off there. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.